Hello friends, welcome to ninth Bricks Android tutorial. In last tutorial we had created a button and a text view inside file called activity_main.xml as our layout. In this tutorial we will go to main activity.java and we will create two objects for those two graphical objects. So before that we will see what are already there written inside Java file. So this time we will not delete everything. We will use all these things which is already written here. So the top line is package name. So it's exactly similar to this package. Next we have few imports. Never worry about import. Just leave it. Whenever it will give error, Java Eclipse is having some facility to auto manage it, so you no need to worry about that thing. Now this is our class which is having name main activity, which is extend to activity. Now inside this class we are having two methods. One is name having name on create and second one is having name on create option menu. So if you want, you can leave it, or if you are not like longer or lengthy code, just delete the lower method. For now, we will be using only this on create method. So we have deleted just to make our code little clean. Now, inside this method, there are two statements. First is super on create save instant. Don't delete that thing. And if you want, you can delete this second line. Actually, we will need it, but we will create it by own. So, let's create that statement by our own. So, to create that statement, just type set and press Control space. When you will press Control space, it will give you a list of all the options which can be written here with starting with set. So we want to set content view, so we will click on this option. It will ask for something. Now as we know that we had created a file called activity_main.xml, and this file we want to use this file as our layout. So we will write the address of this file in this bracket. So to give address of that file, we will type r dot folder name, this folder name layout. So r dot l, if you will type l, it will come layout dot the name of that file, that is activity main. So this thing will set the that XML file as the layout of your project. If you are interested, you can run this project for a while and see what's happening. So let's run it using this run as Android application. In our computer we have already running this emulator. So on emulator you will see this layout. So here you can see that you have two buttons, one or two objects. One is click me and second one is text view. And we have not written any Java code related to these two things, nothing will happen. So in this tutorial we will create a Java object for these two objects. So our first object was button. So let's create button. Again, if you have problem with spelling, just type b and press control space and you will see the list. So you can select things from that list. Give it a name like b1 equals to. Don't create a new button, as we are already having a button. We just need to create a pointer. So we will type here find view by id. So if you will again press control space, you will see that method. Just click on here. Here you need to put the address of that object. So r dot, this time the folder name is not required. This time I will type r dot id dot, it will automatically give me the names of those two objects. So first object was button1, second object was text view. So this is for button, so I will create and select this button1. If you will put enter, it will say that this thing is view, so you need to cast the type of view to button, button. Now the error is gone. Similarly, we will create an object for the second object. So here we will type text view, give it a name t1 equal to, you can type the text casting thing, and find view by id, and here r dot id dot text view. Okay, so we have created two objects, or I should say two Java objects. One is b1 and second one is t1, which is referring to button1 and text view 1. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. In next tutorial we will use these two objects and we will do some operation. Thank you.